I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your eSIM card on Lebara can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Power off your device. Before you start, make sure to turn off your phone. This prevents any potential damage to the eSIM card or device. Step 2. Locate the eSIM card tray. Before activation, use the Interruption link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 3. Remove the old eSIM card. Gently eject the tray and remove the old eSIM card. Make sure to note how it was positioned, as you'll allow need to insert the new one the same way. Step 4. Insert the new eSIM card. Place the new eSIM card into the tray, ensuring it fits snugly and is aligned correctly. Then, carefully reinsert the tray back into the device. Step 5. Power on your device. Turn your phone back on and wait for it to recognize the new eSIM card. You should see a signal indicator once it is activated. If not, check the settings to ensure the network is selected. Sometimes, it may take a few minutes for the new eSIM to activate, so be patient. If you encounter any issues, restarting your device can often help. I hope this guide makes your eSIM card change smooth and hassle-free.